So if you're like me and you hate shopping, you hate crowds and buying things that no one ever uses, check this out. So this is Keyzmo. I love this thing. It's shaped like a key, but it's a multi-tool. It has all these different functions. The list goes on and on. I use it for everything, and I got it from my husband, and he loves it. He's an electrician and he uses it all the time. It's actually 16 different tools in this one little key. It's a bunch of wrenches and screwdrivers. In fact, this weird little tip, it works on a bunch of different screw heads and sizes, and you can do so many things with this key. So this one is for my oldest nephew, and he's into building his own gaming computers right now, and he doesn't have any tools, and he's also just bought a new car. Look how cute this is. So he's gonna use this all the time. He's gonna love it. And this one is for my dad. He loves fishing, and this one little tool is gonna save so much room in his tackle box. He's absolutely gonna love this. Look how small this is. It's gonna save him so much space. This is for you, Dad. And this one is for my niece. She just moved away to college and she's in a dorm room, and she's absolutely gonna love this. She's gonna find so many uses. It's the best thing when you move into a place because it's all the tools in one, and she's gonna be able to do everything by herself. She'll figure it out. She's a smart girl, super independent. You're gonna love this. And these 3 are for gift exchanges. I'm doing 3 this year. I one at work, doing one with my side of the family, doing one with my husband's side of the family. There is no reason that someone will not love this, and it fits perfectly in your stocking. So check out Keyzmo. Thanks for watching.
Meet Keyzmo, the all-new 16-in-1 multi-tool that has you covered for all of life's adventures. At just under 3 inches in length, Keyzmo's design lightens your load while still giving you access to the most essential tools. Easily snug a bolt with a closed wrench, tighten a screw with the 4-in-1 screwdriver, or even measure your latest project with the 2 included rulers. And with the built-in lanyard hole, Keyzmo provides worry-free transport and easy accessibility. Made of nearly indestructible stainless steel, it's extremely strong and durable for the toughest of jobs and most severe weather conditions. And with its compact design, you can take Keyzmo anywhere, whether you're at the lake, hiking a trail, or simply relaxing. Keyzmo has you covered so you can keep on living.